Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing something super cool and creative, how to set up and use Image Playground on your iPhone. It's a new feature, a fun way to generate images right on your device, and it's surprisingly easy to use. In this video, we'll walk you through everything step by step. We'll cover what Image Playground is, how to find it, how to use the different tools and prompts, and how to save and share your creations. So whether you're a creative pro or just looking for some fun, this guide is for you. But before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future tech tutorials and reviews. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow.
Alright, let's get started with Image Playground on your iPhone. Transition sound effect.
Okay, first things first. What actually is Image Playground? Simply put, it's Apple's built-in image generation tool. Think of it as a creative sandbox where you can use text prompts to bring your imagination to life. You can create anything from photorealistic images to whimsical cartoons, all without needing to download any extra apps. It's built right into the latest versions of iOS. Now, assuming you're running a compatible version of iOS, you'll need iOS 17.2 or later to access it. You might be wondering, where do I actually find this thing? Well, Image Playground doesn't have its own standalone app icon. Instead, it's integrated into certain apps, specifically within Messages.
So, to access Image Playground.
1. Open the Messages app. 2. Start a new message or open an existing conversation.
3.
Tap the plus button next to the text field. This will bring up a menu of options. 4. You should see an icon labeled Image Playground. If you don't see it immediately, swipe left on the icons until you find it. If it's your first time using it, iOS might ask for permission to access your photos and camera. Grant the necessary permissions so Image Playground can work properly. Transition sound effect. Alright, now that we've found Image Playground, let's actually use it. When you open it up, you'll see a few main sections. Asterisk the prompt bar asterisk, this is where the magic happens. This is where you type in what you want to create. Be as specific as possible. The more detail you provide, the better the result. For example, instead of just typing cat, try a fluffy orange cat wearing sunglasses sitting on a beach. Asterisk suggested prompts asterisk below the prompt bar, you'll often see suggestions from Apple. These are great for getting inspiration, or if you're not sure where to start. Tap on one to automatically add it to the prompt bar. Asterisk styles asterisk Image Playground offers different styles to choose from, like animated, watercolor, or photo. Selecting a style will influence the overall look and feel of your generated image. Experiment with different styles to see what you like best. Asterisk characters asterisk, you can add different characters to your image. These characters are stylized avatars and are great for creating fun and personalized images. Let's try a few examples. First, let's type a cute robot gardening on Mars into the prompt bar. Now, let's pick the animated style. Hit the generate button. It usually looks like a spinning wheel or a loading bar. And there you go. Image Playground will generate several variations based on your prompt. Scroll through them and pick the one you like best. Let's try another one. This time, let's select one of the character options. I'll pick the avatar I created and type, wearing a spacesuit floating in space. Again, hit generate, and see what comes up. The key here is experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different prompts, styles, and characters to see what you can create. It's all about having fun. Transition sound effect. Okay, so you've created an awesome image. What do you do with it? Asterisk sending the image asterisk to send the image to the person you're messaging. Simply tap on the one you like best. It will automatically be added to the message field. You can then add a caption, and send the message as usual. Asterisk saving the image asterisk to save the image to your photos library, tap and hold on the image, then select Save Image. Asterisk sharing to other apps asterisk after saving, you can easily share it to other apps like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook directly from your Photos app. Transition sound effect. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used Image Playground on your iPhone. It's a fun and easy way to generate unique images right at your fingertips. Remember, The key to getting the best results is to be specific with your prompts and experiment with different styles and characters. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more tech tutorials and reviews. Let us know in the comments below what kinds of images you've created with Image Playground. We'd love to see them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.